Hey guys, this is the long-awaited jailbreak video. So as you can see, I'm currently on iOS 18.1 right now. So follow me and I'm going to show you exactly how to jailbreak it. Now go and open Safari and you need to visit Unc0ver.vip. O is a 0, so don't forget that. Give me a moment to type the website. So let's wait for the site to load. And here you need to press jailbreak and this will download a profile. On the pop-up you need to click allow and then close. Now we're going to settings should see a profile downloaded message. Press on that, press install, then install and then done. And now go to the home screen and you should see the Unc0ver app. After opening the app, you need to click jailbreak. And now as you can see guys, it is just jailbreaking my device. So what we're going to do is press respring. And what this will do is basically restart the device with Cydia. You do not need to do anything on this screen. Just wait for this to finish. As you can see now the phone has been restarted. So let's get in. And we did get the app right here. So be sure to go in and try this out for yourself. Get the word out because this is super cool. And now we can install all of our favorite jailbreak tweaks and all the cool stuff. So as you can see guys, we got everything in here. This is pretty crazy, all the packages and stuff. And we can just go to the search and search for something. I saw a really cool tweak called Bridge that can change the whole home screen. And with this one, I think you also get the floating dock. So let me type this in. Okay, I think this is the one. So let's try to install it. As you can see, now the tweak is being downloaded and installed on my phone. Pretty cool, huh? This tweak requires another respring, so let me do that. The respring for tweaks does not take long, so let's go in and see if it worked. Yes! And it's fully installed. With this tweak, you get Apple Watch app screen and also a floating dock. So I hope you enjoyed, and if this worked for you, be sure to go ahead and share it. Also, don't forget to subscribe.